What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Once again, guys, we're gonna talk about Mullen Automotive. Once again, that's Mullen Automotive with the ticker symbol MULN. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the tweets from our friends out there in Twitter, right? Because people are really pumped regarding tomorrow's F500 news. So once again, guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going.
I am seeing a lot of questions just about the vans. Do you have an update on the vans?
Sure. Again, we released the public information not too long ago that we're going to be delivering our Class 1 vehicle in the second quarter of this year. We're excited about that. We can't disclose to who. That hasn't been publicly made available yet, but we plan on doing that shortly, and we plan on announcing that it is a very large company that is going to buy a lot of these vehicles.
So guys, as you can see in the after hours as we speak, the people in Twitter is pumped regarding Mullen Automotive because Mullen is running in the after hours. Guys, as you can see, if we actually go and search for Mullen stock, right? Mullen stock for today, the Mullen stock price is $1.13. It is down 7.38% today, but it is currently running almost 17% in the after hours. So it's fluctuating. People are loading up, or there's a lot of people, there's a lot of volume coming in right now for Mullen Automotive, right? Now if you go to Twitter, according to Hans, it says here Mullen is moving in after hours already. Okay, and there's a lot of things coming up as far as Mullen is concerned. Okay, as you can see, guys, if you keep on scrolling down, somebody actually called Twitter today. It says here, Pete, with the right PR tomorrow by Mullen USA and David Mishery, FOMO will kick in, calls will run in the money. This could set up a nice gamma squeeze. Moreover, guys, this guy here tweeted actually that he called Mullen Automotive, Mullen USA. It says here, it's happening. I just called Mullen USA, spoke to the receptionist. She confirmed that there will be a press release on 6/30/2022, and that will be tomorrow, guys. I repeat, she said there will be a press release on June 30 of 2022. Okay, so that's from Art. I actually like that tweet. That's from Twitter user Pete. And if you scroll up, he also tweeted one more thing. So tomorrow is David Mishery's birthday. What a birthday day for that PR. So they're saying, guys, that tomorrow is David Mishery's birthday, June 30 of 1966, and tomorrow is June 30. So we're gonna be celebrating on that. Hopefully, guys, hopefully tomorrow is a huge day for Mullen investors such as you and me. So besides that, guys, there's one more article from Investor Place. It says here, dear Mullen stock fans, mark your calendars for June 30th, and that's tomorrow. Mullen Automotive is on the cusp of releasing significant information. Okay, so it says here, guys, that Mullen Automotive CEO David Mishery will soon release exciting info about a pilot program. So I'll be trying my best to release this information firsthand tomorrow. Mullen's customer is a Fortune 500 company which is pleased with the performance of the underlying vehicle. Mullen, shareholders of Mullen stock are waiting for the details which could be released by tomorrow. So as you can see, guys, because of this huge article that everybody is waiting for, of course, guys, Mullen stock is actually flying. Now, it says here once again that Mullen Automotive sparked excitement among its loyal investor such as you and me based when it was announced earlier this month that it will disclose details about the pilot program it participated in with a major organization. Though Mullen stock is down sharply, Mullen fans should mark their calendars for June 30, which could potentially reverse the negative trajectory. Wow, that's amazing. So in an interview with Benzinga on June 30, 2022, Mullen CEO David Mishery offered many insights about the progress of his company was making. In particular, shareholders of Mullen stock latched onto the promised release of a press statement which will disclose Mullen's delivery of an electric van to a Fortune 500 company. Though Mishery at the time remained coy about the specific details, he mentioned that Mullen made an EV delivery in question on May 12. From there, the customer put the van in its pilot program, reporting that it was pleased with the performance of the vehicle to date. So, guys, I wish once again that this major company is actually a well-known company. Okay, so that's gonna send us back to the moon. Further, Mishery stated that everything, including questions about order size, delivery timelines, will be in the upcoming PR, which is scheduled for release at the second quarter, and that will be ending tomorrow. By logical deduction, that will be tomorrow, June 30th. But like I said in my past videos, guys, right, I'm really excited for one thing, the battery technology. Significantly, that the Mullen chief executive emphasized that the deal with the mystery Fortune 500 company did not transpire overnight. Rather, the company has been working on this partnership for over a year. Therefore, those who have high conviction on Mullen stock have incentive to wait for this announcement. Beyond the much hyped pilot program, Missouri also noted that because of amazing test results regarding Mullen's battery technology, the EV manufacturer has started negotiations with a couple of major OEMs. Further, Mullen has commenced discussions with these parties, with Missouri adding color commentary that is something very impressive. So guys, so that's what we are waiting for, okay? Because if take note, guys, based on their filings, right? So Missouri, it just needs some votes from shareholders, right? Regarding each of the milestones achieved, and of course, let's just wait on that. If you wanna vote for the milestones, regarding the milestones for the compensation of David Missouri, it's up to you, okay? Though the CEO was very careful with his wording and implications that it carried, it appeared that he left open the possibility of Mullen selling its battery technology to other manufacturers while simultaneously focusing on developing its own EV brand. All right, so there you go, guys. Like I said, one of the most important part of Mullen, for me personally speaking, guys, is the battery technology. So guys, take note that according to chart exchange, off exchange volume is 32 million shares. So meaning, guys, 59% of most shares that have traded today was done in the dark pools. Now, as far as price action is concerned, guys, you can clearly see here, guys, that in the charts, okay, so we, like I've said before, guys, we have a very, very strong support at 1.1. For tomorrow, guys, the levels that we are watching should be at around $1.50. That's a which is a very, very strong resistance. After that, we can start shooting up to $1.71, like I said in my previous video. Okay, so guys, as you can notice, okay, so there's a wedge here that is currently forming for Mullen Automotive, right? So hopefully, guys, we can shoot right up, in this wedge. Okay, so which is a very, very important. I think, guys, the price action to the upwards is pretty close, but of course, guys, the news regarding the market conditions is really bad. Okay, one bad news will start sending the stock down. But like I said, like they always say, always take profits. It's very important that if you are a short-term trader, always take profits. But if you're a long-term investor, then that shouldn't bother you very much, right? So still, my price target for the stock is, okay, before it just used to be $8, but my price target for the stock, guys, is $23. Hopefully we can shoot more than that in the next few months or few years, who knows, only time will tell. But like I said over and over again, guys, Mullen is still my favorite stock. Okay, and of course, as you can see, guys, our volume for today is only 55.67. all right, so people are still waiting. FOMO, when the FOMO sticks in, right, the volume, if the PR is really, really outstanding tomorrow, we are expecting a huge volume coming in, right? But if of course, personally speaking, I want the press release to be very, very outstanding in order for us to get that right amount of volume for us to be able to shoot right up. Okay, so guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, guys, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.